Hello again and welcome back to the second video in this series of 6. If you found your way to this page without previously signing up, make sure you do sign up. There's a sign up box on the page. But most of you will be getting sent these videos through your email. The second video covers the second module of the course, and this looks at concept development and R&D strategies for medical devices. Again, it's delivered by Professor Daniel Steenstra, who will introduce himself shortly, but I'll give you a quick rundown. As we said previously, graduated in medicine before heading off for a career in design in the car industry, working for cutting-edge companies such as Ferrari, Jaguar and Ford, before returning to his calling, which was healthcare, where he set up a company helping engineering firms diversify into the sector. He's currently the Royal Academy of Engineering's sitting professor of innovation, and he uses his companies uses his skills to help companies take advantages of the opportunities the market presents. So without further ado, I'll pass you over to Daniel, who'll give you more information about the module.
My name is Daniel Steenstra. I'm the Managing Director of Innovations Factory and Professor at Cranfield University in Medical Innovation. And I'll be taking you through R&D in medical devices. R&D is a very wide and very complex subject, obviously. What we'll talk about is how to differentiate what is different in R&D for medical devices if you compare it to, for instance, automotive. And one of the things that is essentially different is the multi-layered. It's very, very rare that in medical devices the person that buys the device is the same person that uses the device and the same person that benefits from the device. And that's something that you really have to be very careful with. How do you get the right market research? How do you get the right information that helps you to develop a much better product? So that's one of the aspects we're going to look at. We'll look at the process of R&D, how are you going to control this, how are you going to do this in stages and make sure that at each stage your development is still on track. How do you get money for this? And probably very important as well, how are you going to protect your idea? How are you going to make sure that you are going to get the benefits of it and not your competitors? And talk about things such as patents and copyrights and design rights and so on. And when do you have to think about that? And one of the issues is obviously, you got a medical product, it's probably a global product. That probably means that you have to think about protection around the world as well. So these are some of the aspects we'll be discussing in the next workshop, and look forward to see you there and then.
Great. What a great module. And as you can see, building on top of the earlier module and the other information, the other modules that's coming along, is going to really provide a powerful package in your personal and professional development for working in the medical devices sector. So again, let me give you a little bit more about the course structure, because people always worry with these remotely delivered courses that they're not going to get that interaction that really helps bring these courses alive. But it's simply not true in this case. We've set things up to really provide you with that interaction. Videos go live, which contains the bulk of the course structure, and they're live for a week, and that's supported by a forum where you can go in, answer questions, communicate with your fellow course members. We, the course tutors and course administrators, will be on there to help develop those discussions, pick up out the key points, and then those key points will then be brought further forward in a telewebinar at the end of the week, where we'll personalise the course content to the requirements of the people who have been on the course attending the forum. So whilst it's delivered remotely, you'll still get that same personalisation and course development that you would experience from a face-to-face delivery, but again without all the travel and the expenses that inconveniences you. So look out for the next video. If you've not filled the form in previously and you just found your way here, fill the form in. Otherwise, I look forward to speaking to you. Bye for now.